This is the story of CompanyCam, an app built to help contractors organize their It all started with 3 brothers, their dad, and a growing family roofing business. It was the early 2000s, and these houses weren't going to roof themselves. Luke, Dane, and Jake were voluntold to get to work. Taking photos became an important part of their roofing process. Jake used an old relic to snap pics of a finished roof. But he could never find the photos sales reps took before the job. In fact, he couldn't find almost any photos when he needed them. With multiple people at multiple locations snapping hundreds of photos, organizing and finding it all was chaos. The brothers thought,
"There's gotta be an app for this!"
Luke took it upon himself to find a solution. He employed great patience and some extreme internet sleuthing, but returned with nothing. So he decided to make something himself. After all,
how hard could it be?
But the Hansens were roofers, not software developers. They needed an engineer. Chad listened to Luke's pitch for an app that organizes job site photos by project and location, and said,
I might be interested in helping with that.
Chad signed on with the promise of a corner office in the windowless back room of White Castle Roofing. In this no-frills laboratory, work for the CompanyCam app really began. As they mixed codes and evaluated samples, Luke started thinking beyond the roofing business into any industry where taking field photos was important. The Hansen brothers tested the app daily. They were extremely patient and kind with their feedback. CompanyCam was improved little by little with the thought,
if it doesn't work for us, it's not going to work for anyone else.
What started as a solution for just one roofing company quickly grew into an essential tool for contractors all across the world. Photo organization was just the beginning. Once field photos are in the right place and easy to find, they can be put to work for your business. Now with over 1 billion photos taken and stored in CompanyCam by industry pros across all possible trades, you could say it's catching on. CompanyCam is the photo documentation solution to add to your tech stack. So to answer Luke's original question, now there is an app for that. See what CompanyCam can do for your business at CompanyCam.com.